For most of us, email is the most common form of business communication, so it's important to get it right. Although emails usually are not as formal as letters, they still need to be professional to present a good image of you and your company. Follow these 5 simple steps to make sure your English emails are perfectly professional. Before proceeding further, I would suggest you to watch full video to get benefit from it, and also please subscribe our channel for more informative, knowledgeable, and useful content. Begin with a greeting. Always start your email with a greeting, such as Dear Sajid. If your relationship with the reader is formal, use their family name such as Dear Mr. Sajid. If the relationship is more casual, you can simply say, Hi Sajid. Finally, if you don't know the name of the person you are writing to, you can use to whom it may concern or Dear Sir or Madam. Thank the recipient. If you are replying to a client's inquiry, you should begin with a line of thanks. For example, if someone has a question about your company, you can say, Thank you for contacting us. Similarly, if someone has replied to one of your emails, you can reply with, Thank you for your prompt reply or thanks for getting back to me. Thanking the reader puts him at ease, and it will make you appear more polite. State your purpose. If you are starting the email communication, it may be impossible to include a line of thanks. Instead, begin by stating your purpose. For example, I am writing to inquire about, or I am writing in reference to. Make your purpose clear early in the email, and then move into the main text of your email. Remember, people want to read emails quickly, so keep your sentences short and clear. You'll also need to pay careful attention to grammar, spelling, and punctuation so that you present a professional image of yourself and your company. Add your closing remarks. Before you end your email, it's polite to thank your reader one more time and add some polite closing remarks. You might start with thank you for your patience and cooperation or thank you for your consideration and then follow up with, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to let me know and I look forward to hearing from you. End with a closing. The last step is to include an appropriate closing with your name. Best regards, sincerely, and thank you are all professional. Avoid closings such as best wishes or cheers unless you are good friends with the reader. Finally, before you hit the send button, review and spell check your email one more time to make sure it's truly perfect. Thank you for watching this video. If you need to watch more informative and useful content, please do not hesitate to subscribe this channel. Take care and goodbye.